Atopic dermatitis is the most common form of eczema. Although it can affect any age group, but it is most commonly seen in young children. Symptoms include very dry, flaky skin, which is intensely pruritic. That is, you want to scratch it very badly. There's intense itching. Although the chief cause is not allergic, but if you have certain allergies, it can aggravate the symptoms of atopic dermatitis. Like you'll notice sensitivity to perfumes or to scented cosmetics. Like if your moisturizer has perfume, avoid using it because it won't help reduce the dryness, it will increase it furthermore. Other allergens include animal dander, like if you have a pet at home and it sheds hair, that can increase the symptoms of itchiness or the rash. And peanuts or eggs are common food allergens. This is not universal, but again, a pretty common allergen. Wool is a very common allergen, especially in India. If you're wearing woolen clothes and they're directly touching the skin, then that should be avoided. Wear something in cotton and then wear wool. It shouldn't directly touch the skin. If you can avoid it completely, it is even better. Like wear sweatshirts or any other fabric, but not wool. What's important is to keep the skin hydrated, to not let it become dry. You might want to moisturize it multiple times during the day when the rash is predominant and use an unscented moisturizer for it. If you're using a perfumed one, you're basically aggravating your condition. You don't need a specific medicated product for this. You can use any over the counter products, just that it should not be scented. Avoid harsh soaps because, as it is obvious, they'll increase the dryness and the symptoms of itchiness, flakes, and the rash will increase eventually. If you can switch to shower oils, they're a great option. Something oil based for cleansing, nothing too harsh on the skin. Although the most common trigger is not perfumes or animal dander or wool, it is stress. It is most commonly responsible for causing a relapse in the condition. If you have atopic dermatitis, you really need to do something to manage your stress because even if you're taking care of your skin, if you're doing all the skincare properly, if you're avoiding the allergens, but you have chronic stress, if there's something bothering you and there's a conflict in your head, then atopic dermatitis can relapse. For this homeopathic medicine, it helps treating it from the root. How we treat atopic dermatitis in homeopathy is by not using any anti-allergics or steroids, which are the main form of treatment in allopathy. But we come to one medicine for the person, like I've explained in other videos before. This constitutional medicine helps to build your immunity, helps to reduce the stress levels. It makes your skin healthier, and that's how it not just improves the current rash, but it also prevents the relapse because it addresses the root cause. Also, avoid smoking and drinking. Alcohol, especially, dehydrates the skin very easily and it triggers the rash. It brings back the condition. If you have atopic dermatitis, do not freak out. It is really easily treatable in homeopathy, and you can even coexist with the allergens because you won't be sensitive to them and you won't need lifelong medication. Once the condition is brought under control, you will gradually be taken off medication and you can live a normal, healthy life with a healthy skin without needing medication again. Also, very commonly asked question, is it contagious? Like if somebody touches your rash, would it spread to them? No, it wouldn't.